All right, once again, I'm back at it for you guys with the Galaxy S10 Plus cases. Now, this is the type of case for a person who's not accident prone and you really just want a thin layer on your phone to protect it from scratches and nicks over time. So the great folks at TOTALLEE have sent me over a sneak peek here at their up and coming cases. These are for sale on their website, so be sure to hit that up. I think her name is Diane or Diana. She really takes care of it. I like companies that support smaller channels, and this company is one of them. TOTALLEE is a company that brings out these ultra thin cases, and if you guys know, I love ultra thin cases. I've always, if you follow my channel for many years, you know that I always purchase ultra thin cases. Well, now I'm fortunate enough to get support from companies like TOTALLEE, who will send these out for review. I mean, these are literally just a paper thin, but they will in fact protect your phone from minor scratches and nicks. There's no lip protection, there's no drop protection. Technically there is drop protection, it's just the angle that it hits. The body of the phone is definitely protected. So if you have a tempered glass on there, you know, that'll help with a slight fall. It's not gonna protect the phone probably if it lands face down with no screen protector. But these do have a raised lip over the camera, so that's some protection. It's like the thinnest drop protection you could possibly get. And these will give you exact form factor. You don't have to worry about even feeling like you have a case on your phone. So that is where companies like TOTALLEE come in and give you these protective cases. So this is the Galaxy S10 Plus. This is my dummy unit, obviously I've been using to do a lot of the videos. And the cutouts on this are gonna be just as such. All buttons are actually open on here. As you can see, power button is open, volume and Bixby is open. So again, they make it as thin as possible. So you can see the cutout for the microphone, and that's something you need to remember when you're buying a case. Always make sure the ports line up. And you can see headphone jack, charging sync, microphone, and speaker. Now with this phone right here, there is a cutout on the speaker on the top right here, so make sure that you have room for that. And this is just a thin, like really thin. If you've never seen TOTALLEE cases, yeah, I've definitely debuted them on my channel before. You need to check them out if you're a person who doesn't like cases. Like, you just don't want to wear a case at all. This does not feel like there's a case on this phone, but the plus to buying these ultra thin cases, which is why I started to buy them, is because they give grip to phones that don't have grip. So you could easily put a tempered glass on here and then put this case on here. And I like the frosted kind, but some people might like the black one. So if you have a black phone, obviously you probably are going to go with the black to cover up, you know, to make it still stay black. And that is where this comes in. But ultimately, you're giving yourself some grip. It has like this nice soft touch, matte, rugged style, like gritty, but it feels good in the hand. I can't describe it. I guess I did describe it, but it feels really, really good, folks. So if you have a black Galaxy S10 Plus and you're looking for it to not put on a case, but you want some kind of grip and you don't want to do a skin, these cases are the cases for you. So it's your man Jay Will. Shout out to TOTALLEE for hooking up some nice ultra thin cases. These thin, it's like you don't even have anything on the phone. It's just how good it is. But it's your man Jay. Be sure to check the link for to buy these cases. They do have these for sale already. So depending on when you're watching this, the phones, I'm recording this before the phones are actually released. We're still in February. And the phones come out in March. So if you're watching it while the phones are released, you now see that a case like this does exist for those people who do not like cases. It's your man Jay. I'm out.